Good morning everyone. Level 11 Crazy Bishop, white color. Welcome to my series Importance of the First 15 Moves, in which I am playing with white pieces with the mobile app Crazy Bishop, which I have downloaded free from Play Store. On G6 I will play D4. My opponent is allowing me to occupy the center square's control, so I should play it. He played B6. Now I can play NF3. He played B5. So this is 11th level, and there are 100 levels in this app. So in the starting, some of the levels will be playing like an amateur player. So I am getting a pawn free, so I will capture it. He played BB7. Now there is an attack on my E4 pawn, so I will play NC3. It protects my B5 bishop also, and it supports the E4 pawn also. He played C6. In this series I will be playing first 15 moves only. As you know, to watch my complete games, kindly check in the playlist and find Red Pen series, which I am playing with the computer software, and in the Black Pen and Green Pen series I am playing in the mobile app. Now he has just played Bishop C8, which is the wrong move. Once you take out any piece, you should not take it back unless it is required. So I am playing castling. My idea is to bring all my pieces out from its home place, which is called development of pieces. He played D6, then I will play Bishop E3 over here. KD7. So again this is an amateur move, a beginner's move, since it is the 11th level, as I said. So some of the incorrect moves will come. So over here I can play E5 to open up the lines and diagonals of my pieces, and in the diagonals my light square bishop can move. He played E6. So over here I will capture the D6 pawn. E cross D6. He played F5. So now I can play an E5 check. So let's see what he plays. He played KE8. So now I can play I will play RE1, so that his king is in the center. He played Q cross D6. So now I can play knight a4 over here. My idea is to reach the c5 square. So knight a4. He played qb4. So now he is attacking my knight. So I would play c4 over here. Since my b2 pawn is already supported by my knight, so I need to support my knight with the queen. So he played bishop g7. Let me check how many moves are completed. So this is the 14th move completed. Now I need to play one more move. Over here I will play to support my knight, since it has one support already, but I would like to play f4 over here. So my knight is fixed now in the center. So this was my 15th move, f4. He played bishop into e5. So what are the weaknesses in black's camp? The king is in the center. There are 5 black pieces which are sitting in their home place, whereas only my one rook is inside. All of my other minor pieces, bishops and knights are called minor pieces, are outside. Now I will not complete my move since I played the 15th move. 15 moves are over, for which I have made this video series. My idea is to teach each and every chess player that how they should play in the first 15 moves. To do that, kindly make this kind of a software chart till 100 level. Now this is my white game with level 11, so I will tick it here. Now the next game I will play with black color with 11th level. So try to bring out all the pieces in the opening. Do castling at any one side. Bring out your rooks on the center files, which are the general requirements of the chess player, and then you can play continue. So if you like my video, kindly share it with others and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you and happy Janmashtami to all.